Have you ever paused to consider the value and importance of safety audits in the workplace? It's not just about checking boxes or meeting standards. It's about ensuring that every person in your organization is safe and secure every single day. Picture this. You're in an office, a factory, a construction site. The people around you are not just employees. They're mothers, fathers, sons, daughters. They're people with dreams, aspirations, and lives outside of work. Their safety is paramount, and that's where safety audits come in. Safety audits are like the unsung heroes of workplace safety. They may not get the spotlight often, but their role is crucial. They help prevent accidents by identifying potential hazards before they can cause harm. This proactive approach means that issues are addressed and resolved before they escalate into something more serious. But it's not just about preventing accidents. Safety audits also help organizations maintain compliance with safety regulations. These regulations are there for a reason: to protect people. By conducting regular safety audits, organizations can ensure they're always in line with the latest safety standards and regulations, avoiding penalties and legal issues down the line. Moreover, safety audits play a significant role in promoting a culture of safety. They show employees that their safety is a priority, fostering trust and confidence. This culture of safety is not just good for morale, but it's also good for business. A safe and happy workforce is a productive one. Safety audits are not a one-and-done deal. They're an ongoing commitment, a pledge to prioritize safety above all else. They require time, resources, and most importantly, a dedication to continuous improvement. Because when it comes to safety, good enough is never enough. So the next time you think about safety audits, remember their worth. They're not just a regulatory requirement. They're a tool to protect the most valuable asset of any organization: its people. Understanding the importance of safety audits is the first step toward conducting a successful one. Before conducting a safety audit, proper preparation is crucial. To ensure a successful safety audit, there are a few essential steps you need to take, and we'll walk through them together. Firstly, understanding the regulations is of utmost importance. These are the rules that govern your workplace. You must be familiar with the safety standards and guidelines specific to your industry. This knowledge serves as the foundation upon which your audit will be based. Next, gather all necessary information. This includes previous audit reports, incident reports, and any other relevant documents. By doing this, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of your workplace's safety history. It will help you identify patterns, recurring issues, and areas that need more attention. Then, it's time to prepare a checklist. A checklist ensures that no stone is left unturned during your audit. It should cover all areas of your workplace, including equipment, work processes, and the environment. Every item on your checklist should align with the regulations you've studied. Now, it's also beneficial to involve your team in the preparation process. Their input can be invaluable as they are the ones interacting with the work environment daily. They can provide insights into potential hazards that you might overlook. Remember, a safety audit isn't about finding faults or laying blame. It's about identifying potential risks and taking steps to mitigate them. So, don't be afraid to include challenging items in your checklist. These could be areas that have been problematic in the past, or areas that are often overlooked. Moreover, try to keep an open mind. While it's essential to have a plan, be prepared to adapt as you go along. You might uncover unexpected issues that need to be added to your checklist. Finally, ensure that everyone is aware of the upcoming audit and understands their role in it. This will help to create a supportive environment where everyone is working towards the common goal of a safer workplace. With thorough preparation, you set the stage for a successful safety audit. So take the time to prepare well, and you'll be on your way to conducting an effective safety audit. Now, you're ready to conduct the safety audit. Let's break down the process into 3 main steps: inspecting the workplace, interviewing employees, and documenting findings. First off, inspecting the workplace. As an auditor, you're looking for potential safety hazards. These might include things like blocked fire exits, faulty machinery, or improper storage of hazardous materials. Don't just glance over the area, really take your time to examine each nook and cranny. Remember, your goal is to identify all possible risks, no matter how small they may seem. Next, we have the interviews. This is your chance to gain first-hand insights from the employees themselves. Ask them about their understanding of safety procedures, their concerns, and any incidents that may have occurred. Be sure to make the interviewees feel comfortable and assure them that their responses will be used to improve safety, not to penalize them. Last but not least, documentation. This is where you record all the information you've gathered during the audit. It's crucial to be detailed and accurate in your documentation. Write down every potential risk you've identified, every employee comment and concern, and any incidents they've reported. This will serve as the foundation for your audit report and will guide the necessary improvements. Now, there might be a temptation to rush through this process. After all, there's a lot to cover and you might feel the pressure to get it done quickly. But let me assure you, rushing will only lead to missed details and potentially unchecked hazards. So take your time. Be thorough. Remember, you're not just ticking boxes here. You're ensuring that the workplace is a safe environment for everyone. Conducting the safety audit isn't just about finding what's wrong. It's about identifying opportunities for improvement. So approach it with an open mind and a keen eye. Remember, conducting the audit is a meticulous process that requires your full attention. The safety audit doesn't end when you finish inspecting the workplace. No, indeed, the real work begins once the audit is complete. Let's delve into the crucial post-audit activities that are necessary for a successful safety audit. Firstly, there's the matter of reviewing the findings. This is where you sit down, sift through all the data gathered, and evaluate what it all means. It's about identifying patterns, spotting anomalies, and understanding the root causes of any safety issues. It's also about appreciating what's working well and identifying best practices that can be replicated across the organization. Next, you'll need to prepare a comprehensive audit report. This is no ordinary report. It's a detailed document that presents your findings in a clear, concise, and actionable manner. It should include a summary of the audit process, the key findings, and your recommendations for improvement. Remember, this report is your chance to communicate the importance of workplace safety to the management team and to advocate for the necessary changes. Now let's talk about implementing corrective actions. This is where the rubber meets the road. It's all well and good to identify safety issues and propose solutions, but if these recommendations are not implemented, then the audit was for naught. This step requires careful planning, coordination, and follow-up to ensure that the necessary changes are made and that they are effective. In some cases, you might need to provide training or coaching to staff to help them understand the new safety procedures or to improve their safety behaviors. And of course, you'll need to monitor progress, checking in regularly to see how the new measures are working and making adjustments as necessary. The post-audit phase is also an excellent opportunity for reflection and learning. Take the time to think about what went well during the audit and what could be improved for next time. This self-review is a crucial part of the continuous improvement process that underpins successful safety audits. The work you do after the audit can be just as important as the audit itself. So roll up your sleeves and get to work. Your efforts will go a long way in creating a safer, healthier workplace for everyone. Conducting a successful safety audit is not without its challenges. As we delve into the intricacies of safety audits, we find that the path to success is often strewn with obstacles. Among these hurdles, 3 stand tall: lack of time, scarcity of resources, and perhaps the most human of all, employee resistance. Firstly, let's consider the challenge of time. In our fast-paced world, finding the time to conduct a thorough safety audit can be difficult. However, it's crucial to remember that safety is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Prioritizing safety audits amidst other business activities is paramount. Planning in advance and setting aside dedicated time for the audit can help tackle this issue. Next, we face the issue of resources. A comprehensive safety audit requires dedicated personnel, specific tools, and sometimes external expertise. Businesses, especially smaller ones, might find it challenging to allocate these resources. But remember, investing in safety is investing in your business's future. You can overcome this hurdle by training your employees to perform the audit, renting or borrowing necessary tools, and seeking assistance from industry organizations or consultants when needed. Finally, we come to employee resistance. Change can be difficult, and safety audits often mean change. Some employees may resist these changes due to fear or misunderstanding. This challenge can be overcome by promoting a culture of safety within the organization. Engage employees in the process, provide clear communication about the importance of safety audits, and offer training to alleviate fears and misconceptions. Remember, your employees are your greatest asset. In conclusion, while challenges in conducting safety audits are real and can be formidable, they are not insurmountable. Each obstacle presents an opportunity to learn, adapt, and improve. By prioritizing safety, allocating resources wisely, and fostering a culture of safety, you can transform these challenges into stepping stones towards a safer workplace. Overcoming these challenges is key to conducting a successful safety audit. To sum it all up, safety audits are a crucial part of maintaining a safe and healthy work environment. They are not just a checkbox on a list, but a proactive measure to prevent accidents and injuries. Preparation is key, involving a comprehensive understanding of the workplace and the potential hazards it may harbor. The actual audit involves thorough inspection and assessment, requiring keen observation and meticulous documentation. But the work doesn't stop there. Post-audit activities include reviewing findings, formulating action plans, and implementing corrective measures. Challenges are inevitable in any process, and safety audits are no exception. It could be lack of resources, inadequate training, or even resistance from staff. But with strategic planning, effective communication, and persistence, these hurdles can be overcome. Remember, the goal of a safety audit is not to find faults or place blame, but to identify opportunities for improvement and ensure the well-being of everyone in the workplace. With this knowledge, you are now equipped to conduct a successful safety audit in your workplace.